Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am thrilled to have this opportunity to share with you why taking Miss Leacock's graphic design class is an absolute must for any student interested in the creative arts. As a fellow student who has benefited greatly from her expertise and passion, I can confidently say that she is more than just a teacher, she's a visionary and a mentor. What truly sets her apart, however, is her dedication to nurturing creativity and individual expression. She encourages her students to push boundaries, experiment fearlessly, and discover their unique design voices. Under her guidance, I've learned to approach design as a powerful tool for communication and storytelling, and I have gained the confidence to explore new ideas without hesitation. Moreover, Ms. Leacock's teaching style is engaging and supportive. She creates a collaborative and inclusive environment where every student's perspective is valued. Her constructive feedback is always delivered with empathy and respect, fostering growth and improvement in each of her students. So thank you for considering this opportunity, and I hope that many of you discover your calling through this phenomenal journey with Miss Michele Leacock.